Ever accidentally deleted a transaction in YNAB? Panic sets in, right? Did you lose that crucial piece of your budget forever? Fear not, fellow budgeters. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of deleted transactions in YNAB. YNAB is a powerful budgeting tool, but like any software, it has its quirks. Deleting a transaction might seem like a permanent action, but YNAB actually provides a way to recover that lost data. This is crucial, especially if you're tracking expenses for tax purposes or simply need to refer back to past spending habits. The short answer is, yes, you can usually see deleted transactions in YNAB. Keeps a record of all transactions, even deleted ones. Think of it like an archaeological dig. The surface might show the current budget, but beneath lies a history of your financial activity. Uncovering the past, to access deleted transactions, you will need to delve into YNAB's history. Go to Reports. This is your treasure trove of financial data. Choose All Transactions. This displays every single transaction ever recorded in your YNAB budget, regardless of whether they're currently active or deleted. Filter. Use the powerful filtering options to narrow down your search. For example, you can filter by date, payee, category, and even include deleted transactions in your results. Understanding the display, deleted transactions might appear slightly different in the report. They may be grayed out, have a specific icon, or have a note indicating they were deleted. Important notes. Data integrity. While YNAB retains deleted transaction data, it's crucial to understand that this feature is primarily for historical reference. Accidental deletions. If you frequently delete transactions accidentally, consider reviewing your workflow. Are you double-checking before deleting? Are there any shortcuts or automation options that could minimize the risk of accidental deletions? Data recovery. While you can see deleted transactions, you cannot directly undelete them within the reports. You'll need to manually re-enter the transaction if you need to restore it to your active budget. Beyond reports, advanced techniques, optional. YNAB support. If you're having trouble finding deleted transactions or have specific questions about data recovery, reach out to YNAB's support team. They have a wealth of knowledge and can provide tailored assistance. Third-party tools. Some third-party tools or integrations might offer more advanced data extraction or analysis features, allowing for deeper dives into your deleted transaction history. So, there you have it. Deleted transactions in YNAB aren't necessarily lost forever. By exploring the Reports section, you can uncover a valuable history of your financial activity. This knowledge can be incredibly helpful for budgeting, tax preparation, and simply understanding your spending patterns over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.